protecting the environment, lowest cost system, whole log processing, portability. This is the AirBurners PG Firebox, an innovative product used where the primary objective is to reduce massive amounts of wood waste in a cost-efficient and environmentally friendly manner. And in addition, where the heat energy produced by the waste combustion is converted to electricity, which can then be utilized locally or sold to the power company. The PG Firebox marries an AirBurners air curtain firebox to an electrical generation power plant. The energy produced by the burning of wood waste inside the firebox is captured and utilized to operate the power plant. Inside the plant is a fully integrated organic Rankine cycle, or ORC, power module, which is capable of producing 110 kilowatts of gross power per hour. Hot water, shown in red in this graphic, is pumped through the preheater and the evaporator. An environmentally friendly working fluid, shown in blue, is pumped to higher pressure and sent to the preheater and the evaporator. After the preheater, the heated working fluid enters the evaporator, where it boils into pressurized vapor. The heated vapor flows through the twin screw expander, spinning an electric generator to produce power. AirBurners chief engineer Tom Foley says it's a process that repeats.
You need to recondense that liquid to complete the refrigeration cycle. So the cooling water runs through another heat exchanger, which removes the heat from that and condenses it to a liquid, and the cycle starts all over again.
This power-producing process can continue as long as the firebox is fed a steady diet of wood waste.
The process starts with the fan we have drawing the hot air off of the firebox, and it regulates the amount of hot air that it draws into the system based on the temperature of the water being input to the generating unit.
Inside the control room of the power plant are displays which show all of the operating parameters.
There are a couple of operator interface panels, and they display all of the relevant information for the system, all of the temperatures, how much electricity is being generated, and the pressure and flow of the hot water loop. So virtually it's a complete health check on the operation of the system.
Foley adds that the interactive controls are remotely operable via the internet right from the factory. The PG Firebox has been turning heads in the industry. Veteran California Department of Parks and Recreation forester Stephen Bakken's job is to rid state forest land of slash to help prevent large wildfires. He says they are restricted by some of the toughest environmental regulations in the country.
This represents a reasonable alternative to get rid of the biomass without contributing a great deal of particulates to the air basin.
Bakken also likes that the PG Firebox can accept whole logs without any preparation, such as chipping.
You can throw whole logs into these things without any preparation. Many types of management of biomass, you have to prep them, like chip them. It's expensive, and it uses a lot of energy to do that, and then you're still left with the biomass.
In fact, when fully operational, the PG Firebox is capable of handling 5 to 8 tons per hour of biomass, depending on the waste material. The PG Firebox is portable, trucked right from the factory to the prepared site, and can be relocated quickly if need be. AirBurners' dedicated customer support department provides installation support and operator training for all AirBurners machines worldwide, and also handles spare part sales, on-site repairs, and factory warranty support. The PG Firebox produces electricity to power itself as well as the lights and other equipment in the yard. Electricity in excess of that is sold back to the power company, which helps reduce or offset electric bills at the facility. Since the introduction of the 100 kilowatt PG Firebox highlighted in this video, AirBurners is proud to now also offer larger systems. Standard models are the PGF 500 rated at 500 kilowatts and the PGF 1000 rated at 1 megawatt. Custom designed systems that employ multiple modules for even larger output ratings are also available, as well as systems that operate off the grid for standalone or so-called island mode applications. Thermal energy is also captured for a variety of applications, such as kiln drying of lumber, as shown here, or for heating a garage or a workshop. This image shows a single PG firebox system creating electricity to power itself and 2 additional standard fireboxes, thus eliminating large quantities of wood debris at a waste collection site. Today, thanks to cheap oil and gas prices, we no longer have an energy problem, but we still have a wood waste problem, and eliminating that problem is our top priority. Waste to energy conversion simplified. Portable, affordable, economical, simple to operate, and environmentally friendly.